Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the advanced conditional format to track your stock price, maximize your target price. For example, if you have a online access your broker account, so I don't think it's going to be useful. Maybe you can track in online. No? So if you are not always your login or you don't have any access to online account or something, or you have fun to maintain your portfolio using your Excel by your own way. So this is for you guys. So for example, dialog price, look at that. I have one shares, that's a target today price 850 and target price 15. So suddenly before the market close is it's a 16 LKR. So if it's a come to minimum amount is 16. So I don't know any way how to track it unless if I have a alert system or any what we call online account. Broker will inform to me, broker had to inform me, otherwise I had to watch it every time. That online account, for me, I just find a way to do it easy. For example, if the so using conditional format, so once is a maximize or reach your target price, you it's automatically highlight entire row like that. So then you'll understand, okay, this that stock reached my target price. So holding or selling, it's up to you. I'm not registered broker, no? And let's see how to do it. So for one more thing I need to clear is the, I don't know what I'm trying to show to you. So the I know what I'm trying to show to, but I don't know is it useful to anyone, maybe few, I don't know. For me, I had to clear that one, no? So it's not a must or anything, so it's a fun to you can track your stock, no? for For that, you have to select it entire portfolio. So which area you need to highlight it, only you selected, and I need to select it all over here. So the last line is up to you. Not a bother. And go to the conditional format, new rules, and over here. So I'm using Excel 2016 and Microsoft Office, not a spreadsheet, Google Sheet or something. Equal sign. Don't forget the dollar sign. So I need to H3 H3 greater than, so not less than, sorry, great, I can less than, why is less than, okay, greater than dollar sign, press dollar sign I3 I3, look at that, this H3 greater than I3. Then if it's a condition true, I need to set the format like that. Green, so which color you prefer is up to you. So select it, okay, and voila. For example, like before, if suddenly if the stock price come to 16 or some your sales price or anything, so for me I am maintaining stocks for portfolio. So that's why I'm mentioning like that 16. So suddenly 250 is I'm not sure it's going to be a reach a 16 or something. Once I have to come to 4, I had to sell it. So 6 10, look at that. For me only I had to select this part. So then you have to select it only like that, the same condition, and I think you have to select only that much. First of all, you have to select it which area only you have to highlight. After that, use the conditional format, and you can ask it how we get the today price for live in Excel. For that, go to the data tab, new query, and web, from web, sorry. So from here, which website you prefer to get data from? For me, I am getting from investing.com. So one of the good website. For me, a long time is support for live update. For currently, I don't know which what's the problem for it? It's not getting live update. It's really sad thing to say. So if any other countries getting live update, good for them. So I'm using the VLOOKUP. So here live data over here. So using this data chart, I get the target price over here using VLOOKUP. So look at that. Now I can able to monitor stock. So for example, water hydropower is 10. My target is 13. Suddenly it's changed. 100 in my dreams. So I don't know. Okay. I hope you guys understand something or maybe learn something. And yeah, that's it. So I have to reverse it.